and who will just love me unconditionally in spite of my mood swings, in spite of, वो है ना कि मैं तो किसी के लिए अपनी पर्सनैलिटी नहीं चेंज करने वाला, वट एवर इज मेंट फॉर मी विल कम टू मी. नो, देर इज नथिंग लाइक दैट. वट एवर इज मेंट फॉर यू विल come to you, but there are compromises to be done there, because nobody is gonna love you the way you are expecting. You are just expecting that the other person is not robot. So unconditional love, if you're romanticizing in a romantic relationship, that's not gonna happen. Like, just imagine being a person, being with a person who is not good to you, who was good to you at the start, at the beginning of the relationship, but now वो आपको वैल्यू नहीं करता, वो आपको रिस्पेक्ट नहीं करता, वो आप से उस तरह से अच्छा ट्रीट नहीं करता. हाउ कैन यू love the person the same way you were loving them already? You cannot. So it's not unconditional love. Unconditional love is that in spite of that they are treating you bad, they are not respecting you, they are not giving you value, they are not uh, giving you that importance that should be yours, but still आप उनके साथ रहना चूज करते हो. So now you will say that there are people who do that. I don't say it love. So if to one extent there are many fears in the human being personalities, maybe because of that fears, a person always choose to stay with the same person he was, she was, because they just don't want to get out of that relationship, to get out of that attachment, to get out of all that they have fantasized for a so long time, and finally they get it, that version of that person जो जिससे उन्हें प्यार हुआ, जिससे मिलके उन्हें लगा कि that is my happily ever after.